I could see you for some reason having it, even though I don't know why you'd have it, but...
I wonder what I'd handle like. It should handle really well, shouldn't it? What an awesome machine. Two engines are better than one. Don't have to be closely matched either, because the one that's sort of in charge, but most powerful one will pull the other one, won't it, you see?
That's what will affect the handling.
No, it'll balance itself out. Just be less work for the weaker one to do.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, it'll be connected together, but it'll affect your handling if you hit a corner hard. Or you put it in the corner.
Yeah, one's pulling can pull more.
No, well...
How do you balance them up? How do you know that they're doing the same bloody RPM?
They won't have to be balanced, will they, I don't think? Well, you won't be able to balance them up, it can be physically impossible. Oh no, it won't be physically impossible.
So it doesn't matter if one engine's doing more work than the other, as long as they're roughly the same.
Yeah. There's only one way to find out, kid. Let's buy it. Put it to the test.
Well, we'll go
We're all clubbed together. We're all clubbed together.
Chip together.
That's it. That's a track car.
Monstrosity that we did.
That would be our track car.
We've found the ideal track car.
No, Alfa engines are 10 a penny at the moment.
Yeah.
Right,
just as well, we'll probably blow them up. It's definitely an interesting car, isn't it? We're going to buy it, Tom. Yeah. Are we going for it, Kenny?
I can't find out.
I'll just get to cash machine that'll let me have £1,000 out of the cash machine. So
you reckon a grand?
I'll chip in a grand.
What, a grand a piece? How do you value a car like this? You can't, can you?
But it gets warm when you're in traffic.
But it does. Imagine that one in front. It's not road registered though, is it? I don't think. It's just purely out and out track car. But it's cool, I like it. Well, there she is on eBay. Look at that. £2,700. Now that's a cheap car. That's a lot of fun. That's a lot of fun for your money, without a doubt.